In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix your Samsung Smart TV not connecting to Wi-Fi or internet. Now to do this, first of all, we need to select source on our remote. You want to go down, go to the settings icon and click on these settings to bring up this menu. Now the first thing that we can try is if we go down to general, you will now see an option for network. Now we can then click on network, go to reset network, and then once you reset your network, you can then try reapplying your settings and logging into your Wi-Fi again. If this doesn't work, this might mean that we need an update on our television to allow us to start using Wi-Fi again, because sometimes what will happen is it will bug out if the television is not on the latest update. So what we can do is go down to support, go over to software update, and if there is an update, you can click on update now. This will then sort of check if there is any updates available, and if there's any updates available, you can simply click on and install the latest update. And then once we install the latest update, that should fix any problems that we are having with the internet connection on our device. So it's just that simple, guys. That should fix your problem. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.